Good day, everyone. Shalu here. I don't even know what day it is of my 33-day challenge, but here I am. How are you? I am so excited to share that with you. I'm so excited I can't even talk. I'm so excited to share this with you. Last night I did some number crunching and some, thoughts put together as to what exactly are we offering, right? What is it that you will get if you come to the BraveHeart Health and Healing Circle? So excited to share this. So it's the first time we're doing something like this where we're actually going to equip you. Oh my God, it's so exciting. So that's why if you see the title of this is a 4-day deep dive to find your authentic self. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you truly ready? Because I'm telling you, your world will never be the same in a good way, right? You will just be so in touch with yourself. People that normally were able to knock you off your, just throw you off, just imbalance you. None of it will be able to impact you once you connect with your true authentic self and you know who and what you are and what you stand for, and you're going to feel amazing. So it's a 4-day course, intensive. I'm warning you now, it's very intense, but it's going to be so beautiful when you uncover the beautiful, beautiful gift that you are. And when you sign up, you get a consultation. So you get a Perfect Day Consultation. It's already included in the price. Done. You get a consultation, nutritional, emotional, whatever you need. My son is laughing at me here. Yes. Are you signing up? So you get a consultation. As soon as you get your payment made, within 30 days, you get a consultation. So you don't even have to wait. You don't have to wait till the course starts. You can start your healing journey as soon as you sign up. So what's holding you back, right? We go through, you get a Perfect Day PDF of the Perfect Day Guide, you get a PDF of the Healthy to 100, and you get access to the library. You can start working away, because it is a lot of work. Not in like physical work, but a lot to just sort of be with yourself, to look, to even understand how powerful our subconscious is. And, like I've done self-healing books and audios and all of that my whole life. Nothing came close to what I've learned here, right? It got me only so far. It was good. But what we do here is just that much. It takes you further. And so if you want to get the most bang for your buck, you want to start as soon as possible, because you want to start, like we'll get you the consultation, just filling the papers out gets you in the right mindset. I mean, it's a 7 or an 8 page, consultation, maybe even more. But in any case, it gets you really thinking about everything from what your goals are, to what your fears are, to what's in your cupboards, to what are your daily habits, like you really, really have to think about everything. And so for me, it started the whole process right there, because we're so busy just doing every single day that we don't really think about what we're doing anymore. It's autopilot, right? How many times have you just driven home and you can't even remember turning left, turning right, your body just does it. And so same way, we get stuck in that rut of just autopilot. We're just doing it and we don't even know why we're doing it, and that we shouldn't be doing it. So the sooner you get signed up, sooner you have your consultation. Well, now we give you the roadmap, right? With everything you tell us, we give you the roadmap of these are your goals. This is what we need to do to get you there, right? This is what you need to do to get you there. And so you can start, if you want to start the nutraceuticals, there's a little bit of, the exercise program that we go through, breathing techniques. Like there's so much you get, and it's all included in the price with the consultation, like when you sign up for the BraveHeart Healing Circle. But then you can access the library and you can learn and start understanding. There's so much in the library, believe me. I've been doing this, like I've been studying with Dr. Wolf since like 2020. I haven't even made a dent in the library. There's so many amazing tools, articles, videos that can help you so much. So peruse through it, see what resonates with you, and just start digging, right? Start learning. But then when you come to the course, we already included in the price, no extra price, okay, included in the price, you will get a clapper, you will get a belly button therapy tool, you will get the enema bucket, you get coffee for the enema bucket, and you get a skin brush. It's all included in the price. You can do the math. Honestly, I did the math. So between the course, the consultation, all these therapies that we're giving you, which we'll be teaching you how to use all of those in the course, you get all of that. And it's only $1,295 USD. Okay? $1,295 USD. And when I totaled all of it up, it came to over $2,300. So you are getting almost 50% off the opportunity to take a 4-day deep dive and find your authentic self. I don't know what you're waiting for. So we're going to be doing emotional, nutritional, and physical healing. We're going to be teaching you about external and internal therapies. I had to write it all down so I didn't forget it all, because I'm just so excited as to the amazing opportunity that's being presented here. So if you're ready to take that deep dive and dive in and really uncover, you've heard how many times that we're like onions, layer upon layer upon layer, right? And if it's your time, because, it took me, I was 50 years old, something like that, right? And I finally got to the point where I was ready to really uncover the true me, the authentic self. And I'm so grateful and so happy that I did, right? So if you're at that point, you could be 20, you could be 30, you could be 40, you could be 70, you could be 80. It really doesn't matter. The age doesn't matter. What matters is if you are ready to connect with your true authentic self. You're not going to find better value than what I just showed you here. You get the consultation, you get the PDF of the Perfect Day Guide, the PDF of the Healthy to 100, and you get those five things: clapper, belly button, enema bucket, coffee, and the skin brush, right? And then you get 4 days of a deep dive. And I'm telling you, life will never be the same. It's going to be so much better, so much brighter. You're going to, honestly, I was mind blown. Like, I had no idea what I was stepping into, because I really didn't go to the course thinking I was going there for me. I was going there to save everyone else. That's where I was at, right? You probably don't even know, but I passed out. The first non-surgical treatment that I got to observe, was a heart release. And oh my God, like I was such an empath that I was just swaying, and then I passed out. And I wasn't even I was just standing there. Thank God I sat down when I started to sway a little. But I realized that I was done feeling everyone else's pain, because me taking on other people's pain didn't really help them any. And it certainly wasn't helping me any. Another fun fact about me, I had shingles 3 times in my 30s, right? Again, just taking on other people's pain, taking on other people's stress. And I came up with the mantra, not my life, not my choices. And that helped me get through that I never ever got shingles again. Thank God. It's not fun. But it was just another step in my growth and my learning about myself. And I don't regret loving and caring for people, because honestly, that is such an amazing feeling when you have just so much love that you can love and care for people. But big difference between being an empath and being compassionate. Big difference. And I had to learn that. And now I have compassion for people. I love them. but I no longer absorb all that negative energy, all that pain, all that trauma. It's not mine to carry. And so I've picked up the tools on how to just sort of leave it there. Just be the observer. So if you are ready to take that deep dive, you can go to braveheartnation.com. All the information is there, or you can give me a call, 705-828-2257. Like I said, I did the math, and you're literally, you're getting the course at almost half price. So don't delay, sign up, get your consultation, and let's start your healing journey today. Have the best day ever. I love you all.